What are you gonna do?
Oh, gotta stay awake. Let's stay vigilant and not let General Towel do anything. Oh, who said that? Who's there? Oh, hey, Maria. Why were you waking me up?
Because you were falling asleep?
Yes, and General Towel is still at large. If you don't know who he is, you should have watched the last video. I hope General Towel doesn't attack me again. I wonder how I get rid of that annoying stink cloud. Maybe I can drive him out with an exorcism. No, wait, he has to possess someone to do that. Oh, yes, maybe I can... No, wait. Yeah, I don't really know how to get a ghost out of the house. Oh, yes! I gotta trap the ghost inside of a circle made out of pepper. Put some pepper around here. And that. And then we have to stay out of the circle. And then shout the words Anak Mara Ojo Mecca Oja Me.
What's that mean?
Oh, just some old magic words I got off the internet. And it's bound to get rid of General Towel. Or maybe it might bring some more ghosts here. I don't know what the magic... I get my magic words mixed up sometimes. I'm gonna go see if my pals are here. So, I guess it's just you and me and Cookie. But Ty
General
is back. General! Hello there, General! Okay, General, we need you to do a favor. I'm already dealing with a crisis, which is more ghosts. Let's just say I kind of got my magic words mixed up. What? Don't you know what that means? Free ice cream? No. Listen here. Listen, Commander Oshawott, I need you to kill all those ghosts. Lucky for you, I just so happen to have my ghost gun with me at this time. Can you take out the ghosts? Yep. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry, Maria. He's an expert at this. Just give him to 7 to 6 hours.
I can tell he's an expert.
Duck and cover! A Dark Squad member! Bum, 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 bum.
What's a Dark Squad member, Ty?
Dark Squad members are evil bad guys. That guy is a Dark Squad member. Black Dog. That's Agent Blackhound.
Is he related to Cookie?
No. He's entire... Dude, don't touch him. He'll hypnotize you with his magic eye. Don't look in his eye, or else he'll hypnotize you.
That's not good. That's not good.
No.
Get away. Get away.
I'll kill you. Let's go. Die. Jump.
He's dead.
I'm gonna hit him. Whoop. Oh dear, I trapped him. Don't look at him. I won't. I'm not looking at his eye. I need a mirror.
Mirror?
Yes, a mirror. Quickly, find me something that I can use as a mirror. That. I'll only look at him through the mirror. I wonder if I can beat him. I need to only look through the mirror. That won't hypnotize me. I can look through the mirror, but I can't. I need to use my staff. Still looking in the mirror.
He's trying to look in the mirror to save us.
Have to look.
So we don't die. So we don't defeat us. Don't worry.
And here goes round 1 coming up.
I'll defeat him.
And round 2. No, Red Jack. What are you doing here?
He's trying to defeat us.
No, don't. You'll be hypnotized. Wee. See, Danny looks in his eyes. Ah! Kill him. My Hit him over the head a couple times. I'm tearing you.
Don't look at him.
Don't worry, I tore off all of his energy. Now, I'm going to stick his eye, or I'm going to rip his eye in half. Hey, I'm happy again. I'm